Got some nice wire, guys. I don't know if this was recording, but I got a lot of stuff over here, guys. And check this dumpster, it's right here. We got a split. Looks kind of clean. Honeywell. I'm going to show you guys what I found. Camera's been acting up, so I've been in such a rush, guys. I got almost a full load back here of stuff, so I'm going to show you everything I found. I'm going to head out to Walmart, see what we find there. Give you guys a quick peek back here what we got going on. So almost a full load, not too bad. I'd like to get that ice chest, but there's an ice chest over here. But it's too heavy to pull out. I had to pass it up, guys. You know me, I hate to pass up any type of scrap, but this thing is so heavy, I can't get it. There might be bricks in there, I have no idea. It's just too heavy for me, so that's alright, on to the next. Apartment complex must have been hit because nothing was there, nothing except a baby crib or something like that. It's just too big to fit. Tickets. Ugh. The truck's back here, but anything? No, nothing. Whoa. Chocolates. Oh, that's pretty cool. Gold coins. Hold up. Third box. stuff on the bottom. So I can clean this up a little. It's hard, it's so cold. Make a noise like that. That's gonna be it, guys. Kind of truck or something. Truck out there, guys. You can probably see it, I don't know. So I gotta get out of here. Give that to somebody too. Take this all out. Oh, wire bus stuff, you know. Candle. Try to be cool. Oh, balloons. That's balloons. I just bought balloons. Try to get out of here. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, nothing in this area. Payless is empty. Not too much going on. Let's have some competition at Gamestop, guys, because somebody's been getting them bags. Wow, gas is $2.69. Come on, man, what's the matter with you? 69. Come on, man, what's the matter with you? Come on, man, what's the matter? Okay guys, you can't let people like that get to you. I mean, I defused right away, but they are freaking trying to pass you on a merge. I mean, he was right on my butt. He almost hit me, guys. And you can see I was way ahead of him. All of a sudden, I had to look, and he was right there. And he's giving me the bird, giving me the finger. I mean, come on. What the heck's going on there? That's kind of crazy, if you ask me. Alright, let's get something. Let's see something here. Hurry up around here because people come out of nowhere. They'll be looking at me weird because I parked here. There's one, two. We'll wait for this school bus to go by. There's the school bus, guys. I'll be caught behind there. I mean, this area looks desolate, but man, there's so much traffic here that it's freaking crazy around here with traffic. I mean, I don't understand it. It's just a back road, you know. It's loaded with traffic. Every time I come back here, I look to do some investigating or something. Traffic. Yeah, garbage night, guys. No cans at all. So maybe next time, maybe the next garbage day, there'll be cans. I'm gonna scout this little area, see if anybody dumped anything. Wait for that freaking bus to come by. Okay, guys. Here's everything we found in this box that I had. This is just a stress ball type of thing, squishy, squeeze, jumbo. Some kind of skateboard things, $3 price tag. That's pretty cool. A whole bunch of gold coins right here. Super Bowls. We got all this stuff in this bag. I put all this stuff here, full of just items, stuff from the cars. I guess got one of those. Busted candle. I figure I'll melt it down. Just balloons, toys. We got a Spider-Man thing here. It's pretty cool. Keychain. There's a sheriff's badge. Mini frisbee. All kinds of crazy little things in here, guys. Some good finds. That's pretty cool right there. A little fan action. That lights up. That's pretty neat. That's neat that it lights up like that. Huh. That's cool. Helicopter. Candy something. Balloons. Got some balloons. Got some Rubik's Cubes. I don't know if they're real or fake. I don't know. We got a fake mustache. Right there. Fake mustache. Kinds of crazy stuff here. The Super Bowls, all this kind of stuff here, guys. Hey guys, all this stuff is just little bonus items. I could get a quarter for or something like that at the flea market. Okay guys, so this jumbo squish delish, $14.99, 15 bucks. I didn't really care. Just squish this thing. I guess for stress, you just squish it and then it comes back. It's supposed to be slow rise, but it's pretty quick. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. The cat. I guess there's a whole bunch of different. You could get the duck, the puppy, sheep, bear, monkey, and the kitty. It's pretty cool. Guys, here's all that wire I pulled out of the dumpster. I don't know if I got it on camera. It looks like that. Copper, right? Quite a bit of stuff. Here's the cord that I got from the dumpster. I guess it pulled out the end here. Pulled out the end, and they had this replaced, so it's being copper. This will go in the copper bin, I guess. We pulled out some kind of pedal over here. I got other pedals as well, but this is kind of what we got here. This piece of metal, this stand for a guitar, one of those, this piece, this here, I mean, goes to the drum, I guess. I don't know if it's broke or what, why they throw this stuff out, I don't know, but metal's good. It's all aluminum here, so that's pretty cool. We've got another piece of metal over there and a couple of cans. Nice chunk of copper off that ice machine. I wish I could have got the whole thing, but that thing was in there tight, man. I couldn't get it out. Too heavy. It's just too heavy, guys. Now we got this thing. I think this is what smells like Chinese. It could be that. It could be this case. Soy sauce. This is a Honeywell. What do we got? What does this say? This takes the dust out of the air, I think. Pre-filter, check filters, power, allergy clean, dimmer. What do you call these things? I forget. Strato coaster chair. We got a cool chair here, guys. It's a little bit ripped and stuff on there, but it's still usable. I'll get some tape on that sucker. Got this cool rack. So there's quite a few things we grabbed. You know, some stuff I already had in here, but so good finds today. Not bad.